We have the Discovery 3 control board for the height and terrain response, etc. out of the vehicle. We had an issue with the switch here. It was slightly corroded, so we used some electrical cleaner, cleaned up the contacts. There's a very small test point which you could probably just about see down here by the red probe, just in this position. And what you want to do is to press the button, which is here, and check continuity. And there we go. Okay, so that switch is working. One thing to be aware of, it may not be very clear, but down here you actually have got two test points, it looks like, beside this switch. Sorry, it's out of focus. You can see here there look like to be two test points. Now this does come from the switch, which obviously it's on board the PC. However, what's happening is both of these test points are for, as I'm looking at the moment, are for the right hand side of the contact on the board. And what happens is it actually shorts out. Now you can use this point here, which is earth effectively on the board. So if you want to bridge that, go to there, bring your probe over to this test point here, as I say, and not easy to film and to do at the same time. But then what you want to do is just press this button here, to confirm that that's working, and there we go. So hopefully that helps you. Doing a little bit of fault finding on the board. As I say, it was corroded terminals. Also, perhaps worthwhile noting that there was a lot of detritus, a lot of crumbs, rubbish, goodness knows what, lying on the board, on the switches themselves. You can still see some lying in here. Really not pleasant, so what I've done is I'll be cleaning all that up, putting it back in, and hopefully that will solve, in this case, a suspension fault. Okay, thanks for watching.